Hello everybody, it's been a little while, but today I'm back to do another yummy recipe, cinnamon chocolate tea cakes, and my friend over here, Sin, is going to help me. Let's go! Come on. So I've greased my pan with butter. First step is to mix the cinnamon and sugar together. So put the cinnamon into the sugar, white sugar. Okay, I think that's good. Now mix it up gently. Okay, now I'm going to put it to the side. So now we're going to put some more white sugar, some baking powder, some salt, some all-purpose flour or white flour into a food processor. And then we're gonna put this butter into there, into the food processor as well. Now that the butter's, all the ingredients are in, now we're gonna pulse it 5 times. Done. Okay, I think you have been waiting for this. We're gonna transfer the mixture into the bowl by magic. Okay, now we're gonna add in the chocolate. It can't be a cinnamon chocolate tea cake without chocolate. Of course not, Sin. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. Chocolatey. I love that chocolatey smell. It's my favorite chocolate. Okay, now we're gonna add in the milk. Okay, now it's gonna be big. Okay, now we're gonna put this onto this flat surface, like here on the bench, and then we're gonna knead it. You might need a ground to help. Okay. Right. So now we're gonna cut it into half. Now we're gonna cut it into half again. Now we're gonna cut these quarters into quarters. Oh wait, the wrong way around. Okay, so good. Now we're gonna roll them into balls. Okay. That's a ball. And done. Okay, taking a ball, rolling it in butter. Yeah, this is so good. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pop it in the sugar. Now we're gonna pop it in the tin. That looks good. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the oven for 30 minutes. And then we're gonna leave it to cool before we taste it. Sweet. Okay. You might need a grinder to help. Okay, we've cooked it and we've cooled it in the tin. Now it's ready to eat. Let's try it. Yeah. Under pot. Yes. So good. Yum, yum, yummy, 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 yum, dum, dum. Okay. I hope you liked this video. See you next time. Sweet.